Tiny faces, big feelings. Emotes are everywhere online. They're tiny pictures, but they share big emotions. A simple happy face or a silly wink can say so much. We see them in chats, on forums, even in online games. They help us connect. What's even cooler? Personalized emotes. These are special. They capture your unique style. Maybe it's an emote of you and your pet. Or maybe it's your favorite catchphrase with a funny face. The possibilities are endless. Personalized emotes let you express yourself in a way that's totally you. It's like having your own secret language with friends. Plus, they make online spaces more fun and friendly. Who doesn't love seeing a cute emote pop up in their chat? From idea to emote. So, how do these adorable emotes come to life? It all starts with an idea. Maybe you have a funny photo of yourself, or a silly doodle of your pet. Anything can be an emote. Next, you work with an artist. You share your ideas, and they sketch out some options. Do you want your emote to be silly, cool, maybe a little bit sassy? The artist helps you capture the perfect feeling. Communication is key. You chat with the artist, give feedback, and make sure the emote looks exactly how you imagined. It's like a fun collaboration, bringing your vision to life, pixel by pixel. Spreading the cuteness. Once your emote is finished, it's ready to share with the world. See it pop up in chats with friends. Watch as others use it to express themselves. It's a tiny piece of your personality, shared online for everyone to enjoy. Creating and sharing cute emotes brings joy to everyone. It's about expressing yourself, connecting with others, and adding a little bit of sunshine to the digital world. So go ahead, embrace your creativity. Turn your ideas into adorable emotes and let your personality shine online. Check the video description to get your emotes.